Dear students, let's know about definition, nature, and scope of physical geography. Physical geography is a branch of geography which deals with the natural land features such as land, ocean, atmosphere, climate, and biosphere. We should know the definition of geography also. Geography is a combination of two words. Geo means earth and grapho means to write about the earth's surface or to discourse about it. Some definition given by various authors. Harland Barrows studies the human ecology, adjustment of man to natural surroundings. H.C. Darwin, geography is both science and arts. Like that, there is various authors also give their point views about geography and its study. Geography is divided into two branches. Human geography, it includes everything created by man, such as population geography, settlement geography, economic geography, political geography, culture geography, agriculture geography, transport geography, historical geography, medicinal geography, behavioral geography. And physical geography, another branch, it includes geomorphology, biogeography, oceanography, soil geography, and climate. The term geography was used almost 3rd century BC by Greek scholars Eratosthenes, and after that there is some other scholars also who give their point of view, like Sir Patrick Getz, Professor Hudson. They consider geography is the core of the unity of knowledge and queen of all sciences. Nature of physical geography, if we say that physical geography is the main concern with physical landscapes, plains, valleys, plateaus, hills, mountains, rivers, coasts, folds, faults, and other surface features. It also studies the geomorphic cycle of erosion given by W. M. Davis, the precipitation, clouds, movement of winds, river system, environmental hazards, movement of earth, calculation of time zone, settlement processes, and various other things. This is the diagram of earth in which equator, tropic of cancer, tropic of capricorn, north pole, south poles are shown, and another diagram, the internal structure of earth in which core, mantle, and crust, the upper layer, is shown. Physical geography and human geography are two interrelated branches. Hydrology, climatology, biogeography, geomorphology, meteorology, pedology, and in human geography we study the social geography, cultural geography, economic geography, behavioral geography, political geography, urban geography, transport geography, population geography, and various other branches of geography. And there is central area which both the physical and human geography are interrelated. Scope of physical geography is very large. In this field, we study the natural phenomena, and they are further divided into subfields like geomorphology, climatology, biogeography, soil geography, etc. This is the physical landscape created by the nature: deserts, plains, river systems, coastal areas. In climate, we study the weather phenomena and meteorology of upper atmosphere, wind systems, precipitation, cyclones, weather phenomena, temperature, rainfall, tornadoes, cyclones, monsoon, trade winds, local winds, and seasonal impact on flora and fauna. This is also the climatic impact on the Earth's surface, the desert area, the global warming impact on ice, the thundering and lightning, and cyclones. Biogeography is concerned with the ecology of living organism, and environment, their relationship and interrelationship, evolution and distribution of various organisms with spatial and temporal impact on habitation, evolution, migration, and extinction, their reproduction, growth, distribution pattern, the process of photosynthesis, respiration, combustion, decomposition, carbon cycle, water cycle, nitrogen cycle, ecological succession, biodiversity, biogeographic regions, etc. This is the soil and formation of soil. The soil is also included in the physical geography. Its chemical and biological process, soil profile, soil origin, its color, fertility, texture, and soil suitable for agriculture and other similar activities. Hydrology, or you can say the oceanography, is also a branch of physical geography in which we study the water bodies, salinity, lakes, freshwater lakes, streams, rivers, gulf, straits, waves, ocean currents, ocean temperature, ocean salinity, floods, water table, drainage pattern, stream channels, water cycle, groundwater use and management, rainwater harvesting, pollution by the man on groundwater, oceans and surface water, etc. So this is something about the physical geography and its branches. It is very important part of geography in which we study the physical phenomena, environment and distribution of organisms, marine resources, natural hazards, pollutions on atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. We also study the map projection, topography, remote sensing, satellite imagery, digital imagery, GIS, GPS system. In physical geography is also related to the applied geomorphology, engineering, climatology, biogeography, hydrology, soils, coastal and marine geography, mathematical and statistical model, agriculture, transport, tourism, glaciers, etc. is a part of physical geography. Mining, industry, curing is also included in that. Thanks a lot.